Hi, I'm Ben Glass. I'm CEO and founder of Altaeros. Altaeros spun out of MIT in 2010 to develop, build, and commercialize the world's first autonomous aerostat platform for a whole range of applications. In the early days of Altaeros, we were focused on energy applications, and since then we've shifted our focus into communications and really broad applications of aerostats, everything from the traditional border security, national defense type applications to emergency response telecommunications. I'm standing in front of one of Altaeros' ST-Flex Guardian class aerostats. This is a tactical class aerostat platform, but unlike the traditional aerostats that the government has been using for decades, the ST-Flex incorporates what we call Aerostat Autopilot. Aerostat Autopilot is the world's first and only autonomous control system for an aerostat platform. Traditional aerostats require crews of anywhere from 4 to 5 up to 10 or more people to be on site 24/7 in order to launch and recover and operate the aerostats. They're literally manually operated with skilled crew members handling close haul lines, toggling joysticks, literally manually operating the systems. And the exciting part of Aerostat Autopilot is with this capability, we're able to eliminate the on-site crew for day-to-day operations. So Aerostat Autopilot will automatically launch, fly, and recover the aerostat without any human inputs. Aerostat Autopilot brings two major benefits to our customers. First, by removing humans from the loop and leveraging real-time artificial intelligence to make rapid decisions, we're able to significantly increase the mission availability. So we're able to offer our customers the core capability of the platform between 90 to 95% of the time, as opposed to 50 or 60% with a traditional manually operated aerostat. Secondly, with Aerostat Autopilot, our aerostat platforms are much more cost-effective to operate. After undergoing training and certification by Altaeros, an operator can monitor and operate our ST-Flex Guardian class aerostat remotely from a centralized operations center. And a single crew can actually operate many units in the field, which cuts out 50% or more of the cost of operating a system. When you take into account the efficiencies of operating an entire fleet of aerostats from a single operations center, our cost can be 75 or 80% lower than a traditional manually operated aerostat. Aerostat Autopilot has a number of layers of automation. At the lowest level, we're controlling the individual actuators, the winches, the slew, the pressure management system of the aerostat. As you step up from there, we have what we call AI Flight Director, and this is the layer that's actually flying the system. So it is commanding pitch and roll and altitude adjustments in order to either launch the system, recover the system, or to react to whatever wind conditions it is experiencing. With AI Flight Director, the system is actively responding to the environmental conditions. The highest layer of automation within Aerostat Autopilot is what we call automated dispatch control. And this is the layer that is taking in all of the weather information, the state of the system, and making decisions on when is it safe to fly, when does the system need to land, when can it relaunch. With automated dispatch control, or ADC, we're able to continue to operate the system right up to the edge of where it is capable of. And by doing so, we're able to really maximize the mission availability to keep the system flying in the broadest range of conditions. So instead of what may be a 50 or 60% mission availability, we can give north of 90 to 95% mission availability. Aerostat Autopilot is the result of over 10 years of R&D, of prototype campaigns where we've continuously refined both the models, the tools that go into developing Aerostat Autopilot, as well as the actual control algorithms themselves. One of the unique aspects of Aerostat Autopilot is that it's continuously improving. Every day we're working on new capabilities, new features to make the software better and to make the product better over time. We're really excited to be partnering with the US government and our allies around the world to introduce this unique platform and unique capability. The aerostat market hasn't seen any real innovation in quite some time, and with the ST-Flex Guardian class, with Aerostat Autopilot, we're taking a huge step forward to modernize the aerostat market and bring it into the 21st century.